In this video, I'm going to make a low gravity button, and if you'll go to the workspace here, you can see you can change the gravity manually, but we're going to change it by script. We're going to put a little button in the workspace, and this could be a pickup or something your player can get a hold of. Let's go ahead and make the size 4 by 0.5 by 4. Go ahead and make it so that we can see it. Oh, yellow. Alright, and then let me change this to low. I'll just call it gravity button. So we'll switch back and forth. We'll put a toggle on it. So we'll go script. And the script, I'm going to change it to, change the name to change gravity. Alright, now I got to get a reference to my part. I'm going to say local part. I'm going to call it a button. That way I don't forget. Script, parent, and then let's make a variable for our gravity, and that was 196.2. Let's make a variable for our low gravity. Let's make that 30. And now we'll need a couple of flags. We'll have a low gravity enabled, because we're going to switch back and forth from low gravity to high gravity to regular gravity. And this can touch is going to be a cooldown. So local function on touch, and then we'll have the other part, which we'll check to make sure it's a humanoid. Let's do that now. So humanoid, local hum, other part, parent, find first child. So if it has a humanoid, we're going to assume it's an NPC or a player that's going to be affected by the button. Humanoid, and then can't touch. We're going to make sure that there's a humanoid and the cooldown is valid for touching. Say if LG enabled. So low gravity is on. If low gravity is on, we're going to turn it off. And we just call that gravity. And then we'll change our switch to our flag. We'll change it to low gravity enabled being true. Right, so we come in here, it's off. Oh no, we want this to be false. Right, because now it's regular. And else, we'll just do the opposite. We're going to say gravity, and that'll be our low gravity. LG enabled is true. Okay, and let's put a little cooldown on here. So can't touch equals false, so we can't touch it over and over again. And that'll turn it back on after 2 seconds. Alright, we'll get our button, get our handler for our touch event, our touched event. Connect it to on touch. And that should do it. Let's give it a try. We're going to get in here. And we're going to run on up to this is our regular jump. Oh, there we go. Got some low gravity. Let's turn it off. So you probably should have it change color when the cooldown is set, but that is the basic idea.